Today we are going to study about the digital to analog converter. Basically, digital to analog converter is a circuit which converts digital data or digital number into its equivalent analog data or analog number. So this is the basic block diagram of digital to analog converter. It has input that is in the form of digital data or in the form of binary data, and here the output V0 is in the form of analog data. So this is B1, that is the MSB, and Bn, this is the LSB. So these are the binary inputs. So there are n binary inputs, and so analog input is in the continuous form, that is the V0. So here V0 output voltage in the form of in analog form. Here V0, that is the output voltage, that is in the form of analog, and B2 Bn, that is the n bit binary data, where B1 is MSB, most significant bit, and Bn is LSB, least significant bit. So the relation between output voltage V0 and the input binary data B1 to Bn is in the form of this: V0 equal to K VFS B1 to the power minus 1 plus B2 to the power minus 2 plus B3 to the power minus 3 plus dot Bn to the power minus n, where here K is called as the scaling factor. Basically the value of K is unity. In the most of the cases the value of K is 1. In some cases the value of K can be greater than 1. It depends upon the circuit and its output, what we want to get. Here VFS is called as the full scale voltage. What is the full scale voltage? The full scale voltage is the maximum input voltage to this circuit. That is the full scale voltage. If we are giving the input as a VR, then VR is the full scale voltage. That will be seen in the next circuit. Here, so digital to analog converter, there are many methods, many circuits to convert digital data into analog data. First one is very important, that is called as the weighted resistor type D2A converter. So here we are using the resistor in the multiple of 2. So that is called as the weighted resistor. So here look at the circuit. This is the circuit for weighted resistor type. Here we are using a op-amp, operational amplifier. This is op-amp, and this op-amp is working in inverting mode, because non-inverting mode is directly connected to the ground and all the inputs are connected to the negative terminal, that is the inverting terminal. So this op-amp is working in the form in inverting mode. And here RF is called as the feedback resistor. RF is feedback resistor. And now all the inputs B1, B2, B3 Bn are connected to the non-inverting mode. B1 is connected through resistor 2R, to the power 1R, and B2 is connected through the resistor to the power 2R or 4R. B3 is connected through the resistor to the power 3R, that is the 8R, and Bn is connected through the resistor to the power nR. Here B1 here the value of B1 can be 1 or 0. Binary input, binary has two forms, 1 or 0. For 1, what we are doing, we are using a negative value minus VR. Why we are using minus VR? Because we are using a inverting circuit. So when here it is the negative input, then the minus VR, for the output becomes plus VR. So B1 is connected, the switch of B1 can be connected to minus VR or to the ground. If B1 is logical 1, then the switch of B1 is connected to minus VR, this position, and when B1 is 0, then B1 is connected to this switch, which is connected to the ground. So B1 has two values. For logical 1, this switch is connected here, and for logical 0, this switch is connected here. Same case as B2. B2 can be 1 or 0. For 1, this is connected here, and for 0, this is connected here. For B3, same case, and for Bn, the case will be same. Now what will we do? Consider here we are considering a ideal op amp. We all know for ideal op amp the input resistance, input impedance is infinite and output impedance is 0. And the output current I0 is given by here. This is the output current I0. This is the arrow. This is I0. The I0 equal to what will here? This I0 is coming here and this I0 is distributed into I1 to IN. So I0 equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 dot 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 IN. What is the value of I1? Look at here. This is the I1. This is at the logical. This is at the 0 because this is grounded and the value of positive terminal is equal to value of negative terminal. So this becomes 0. So this becomes 0. So at this here we are getting 0. So 0 minus here. This is minus VR divided by 2 to the power 1R. So I1 equal to VR by 2 to the power 1R into B1. Here it will be here B1. So because if B1 is 0 then I1 will become 0, because if B1 becomes 1 then this switch is connected here, then this circuit will be like that. If B1 0 then switch will be connected here and this is also at ground, this is also at ground, no current will flow and hence I1 becomes 0. So value of B1 determines the value of I1. It will be 0 or either has some value. Same case of I2. For I2 the same case VR by 2 to the power R to the power 2R into B2. For I3 VR to the power 3 R into B3. IN VR divided by 2 to the power N R into Bn. Now I0 will be equal to, so putting the value of each current I1, I2, I3 in this equation. Let us take this equation 1 and these as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we are getting the value of this expression. Now what we will do, I will take common VR by R. So what I will get, B1 2 ka power minus 1 plus B2 2 ka power minus 2 plus B3 2 ka power minus 3 plus dot 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 Bn 2 ka power minus n. This is the I0. Now what will be the value of V0? So V0 equal to, I can write here I0 equal to what will here, V0 by RF. This is the value of I0. Now this is the equation number, suppose this is the equation number 3, this is the equation number 3 and this is the equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, from 3 and 4, V0 equal to I0 into RF. That is the, I can also write at that V0 equal to I0 into RF. So V0 equal to VR RF by R and into B1 2 ka power minus 1 plus B2 2 ka power minus 2 plus dot 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 Bn 2 ka power minus n. Now let us compare with its important, compare with here what will we do? If RF equal to R, then let us first describe this equation first. So VR equal to VFS and RF by R, that will be equal to K, and when RF equal to R then K equal to RF by R, and that is equal to 1, and VFS equal to VR. So final equation V0 equal to VR 2 ka power minus 1 b1 plus 2 का पावर -2 b2 plus 2 का पावर -3 bn plus dot 2 का पावर -n bn. So this is the expression for analog output V0. Now let us take a simple example. What we will take simple example? Let us draw a circuit for 3 digital input for B1, B2 and B3. So these are the different combinations and output. These are the input. So V0 will be, what are the value of V0? Let us see. I will solve one by one. Now, when B1 equal to 0, B2 equal to 0 and B3 equal to 0, what will the value of V0? V0 equal to, let us see, VR B0 plus 0 plus 0, then V0 equal to 0. That is here we will get 0. So B1 equal to 1, let us see, B1 equal to 0, B2 equal to 0 and B3 equal to 1. Then what will be value of V0? Let us see. VR 0 plus 2 का पावर 3 यानी कि 1 by 8. That will be B3, sorry, that will be B3. Then that means the V0 equal to VR by 8. That is here VR by 8. Similarly, when B1 equal to 0, B2 equal to 1 and B3 equal to 0, what will the value of V0? V0 equal to VR, so you can calculate it. It is very simple. Plus 1 by 4 plus 0, and that is equal to VR by 4. We can easily calculate it. Now, when B1 equal to 0, B2 equal to 1 and B3 equal to 1, what is the value of V0? Equal to VR 0 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. What is the value of here? So LCM will be 8. That is the 3. That will be 3 VR by 8. So here, oh, I have missed one term here. 0, 1, 1. This is the 3 VR by 8. So similarly, when B1 equal to 1, B2 equal to 0 and B3 equal to 0, what is the value of V0? That is will become VR by 2. That is here for this VR by 2. For here, similarly we can calculate for each value, and after calculating you can complete this table for different value. Okay, fine. So this is the method of weighted resistor type DA converter. So but there are some difficulties in weighted resistor type of value. What are the difficulties? One of the important difficulty is to finding the exact value of resistor. Suppose for R we have taken 1 kilo ohm, next resistor should be of 2 kilo ohm, third resistor should be of 4 kilo ohm, fourth resistor should be of 8 kilo ohm. So in this multiple of resistor is so finding the resistor in the multiple of 2 is very difficult. And another problem is that when the number of byte is increased. Suppose for the 8 bit, what is the value of 2 ka power 8 r? Then 2 ka power 8 becomes a huge terms. So when the resistance, that is the for the 8 bit, the value of resistor is very large. When the value of resistor is very large, then it is very difficult to flow current across that high value of resistor. When it is very difficult to follow the current, that means that bit is neglected. So these are the shortcoming of this resistor, this circuit. First shortcoming is it is very difficult to find the value of exact resistor. Another difficulty is it has the limitation of adding more number of bits. That is, it cannot be used for more than 8 bits, because up to 8 bit the value of resistor becomes so high. To the power 8, that means 256. So value of resistor becomes too high, and it is very difficult to add more number of bits. So these are its shortcomings. So to avoid this shortcoming, we use another circuit, that is the R to R ladder. That circuit we will discuss in the next lecture.